Why you purple tip? Okay, let's go.
Kill them all. Make them suffer.
Just okay.
Get out there and win the game. I just got demoted!
Okay, I hear him. I see where he is. Of course, he's there. Oh my god. Oh, I almost killed him. Where's he? Okay. No problem. Let's Is he here? No. He's the other way. Ah! He shot me. I also can't headshot him. Wait, where's he? Where is he? Whoa, he's here. Aww. Bro, he's here. What's up, Shady? What? Oh, I almost killed him. Better. He's not here, right? Gotcha. Oh, come on! Stop. Oh my god, I hate this notification. He's not here. Oh! Oh! He'll come here. Both way anyway. Oh! Come on! He's so pro, I'm in mobile and he's in PC. How will I able to beat him? He even won. Stop or I will. Oh, come on! I hate this. Take it. This is such a really hard match for me because it's a PC player. How can I? Never mind. No. I can't, bro. Okay. How do I do this with this? everyone try doing this. Stop. Let's see. Whoa! He there. Is he here? No? You chicken in here? Oh, come on! I can't ask for free. Oh, I can't. Come on. Come on! Okay.
Hey,
75
you got
people.
him. Excellent.
1 HP. The worst gun at all. Of course. Of course. He's not here. He's not here. I can hear him. Run, run. Where is he? Where? How did he get here? I can't. Stop. Stop. He keeps emoting at me. That's pretty. I see. I need to start using this. See. And I'm gonna get to the upstairs. Throw him. You'll be fine. Come on. No! I'm reloading! Hey, yes! Finally!
Excellent.
So, no?
Aku tak suka yang orange tu. Aku suka yang
I see him. Come on. Don't die, please. Don't die. The trick will be only work one time. Where's he? I see him. Oh, come on.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
That surprised me low. I just saw, oh my lord. He can't get it one kill. If I get him one kill, oh gosh, he just got a kill. No, I need to heal. No! Oh, I just got one kill. Then I start using that place. No! 26!
tahan sekejap, Pak.
Gotcha. Okay, 8 points left, and then I will get our text onto him. Come on, come on. Come on! Come on! Stop. No! Okay. You sure about that?
Lepas Mam cakap, oi, bikinkan tas.
Whoa! What?
I tried to explain what made me different from other people. I didn't understand. I heard the doctors admit they couldn't fix it.
Bro, are you?
Other children
There's a... This is a...
Set me home. Love me alone. You take a job. Meant for
tried. I never felt I did not want to fall,
Ah! Hey!
so I began to act like a loser.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. I need to hide. So he can't find me.
I must,
Hey, yo! Camp!
Bom ya jadi.
Amazing.
Apa siapa tuang? Jangan nih.
Bro, come on. Okay, I'm gonna try pretending to be AFK. Hey, yo! That was my chance! Sorry.
God was so hurt. You mind if I took a chance while I done the try something?
Good shot.
Oh,
You got his
that's
head.
Trick it. No! This guy just keep... Dang it! Why I missed my shot? I don't know, bro. You just gonna find my pain. You keep killing me. That was the worst thing I ever had in my life. Just being angry that you kept killing me.
Wow, you got a headshot. Subscribe to Flamingo.
The worst thing I ever had in my life was that guy kept killing me.
his brains out. Nice.
How did you even die? Okay. Yes.
Nice headshot.
Of course. You keep missing shots. No, my sense. Wow. Now we're going to say GG. Come on, I'm so mad right now. Oh. Go, no, 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 no. No, Villa. Okay, now.
What's wrong with you? Don't let him do that.
What? Oops. You can be there or you can be. It's going to be there, I think. Where is he? He can't find me! No, I just see him. And he can't even find me. You. He probably got a secret hiding spot. Oh, come on!
Nice headshot.
I'm the hiding one. Me take you.
Dad, why are you doing it?
Go. Woohoo! Ah! Woohoo! What? How? How? How did he not? My turn.
Ouch, he just got sliced. Unbelievable, you lost a level.
You make me jump then I backstab.
아, 네, 알겠습니다.
네, 감사합니다.
뭐야, 시켰어?
시켰어?
아, 나 쫄면도 먹을 건데?
시켰어.
아니야, 시켰지. 아, 쫄면에
오이 빼고 양파 빼고 야채 많이 덜 넣을게.
이거.
왜 입맛을 어떻게 이렇게
Go.
나도 그렇게 먹어, 나도.
맛있을까?
Mr. Grand Australia. Mr. Grand Borneo. Both of you. I thought that is representing Malaysia because Sabah is part of Malaysia. Borneo is including Kalimantan, Indonesia, and Brunei Darussalam. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Mr. Grand Australia. Mr. Grand Borneo. Both of you. Oh, what's up?
No, sorry, that's racist. I want to.
That's not racist. I'm good with that. Oh, nice. What's your name? Gabriel Jordan.
Very good. One less level for him.
Ami, Bek! Ano ba ko niya?
Go to rank fast. So easy. You sure, bro? This is free rank. Le. Sorry. How did you both die? I misclicked.
Untuk 7
Yay.
buat sama. Ini lepas apa? 7.
3, 2. Okay, here it comes. Here it come, boy.
Oh.
Go.
8 to 5 ko.
Sana!
Oh.
No, so close.
What is here?
No! Why did you bring him here? Run! Hey, yo, why did you bring him here, bro? Yay! I'm still hider. Kind of boring. Mistake. Sure. You'll come here. So yeah, but when he came here, oh sh. Did she saw me fall? No, right? He bring bro. Okay, I got a high arrow. Gotcha. Who the seeker? Oh, okay.
Unbelievable.
Ah!
You lost a level.
I don't want nothing. Can we kill each other? That's nice better. Did you see that? I just look at that. Hey! But by the way, how did I just get that from him?
Aha! Complete humiliation. Nice work.
I think a flick. Wow.
Oh my.
Time to nephew.
I don't know what stinks worse, that or you.
Flick. Oh, flick. I want to do Dragon Flick too. Hey. Okay, I see.
Why'd you
What?
let that happen?
How did they do that?
Unsubscribed. moment.
Sorry.
The melee's in, and it's
Oh, what the heck? I
How?
just got demoted. Ah!
Do-do-do-do-do.
That guy's gonna need a Patreon.
Bro, how did it mix up the
catastrophe, as this
front?
shouldn't decrease your odds of winning drastically.
I got hit with a knife. Yippee. I feel
Sorry,
joy. Wow.
Ethan.
Yay. This audio goes on way too long.
Oh man, I was 11. What? Come on, come on, come on. Need green. Trim. Go, please. What?
Demonetized! Epic gamer moment! Don't let that happen again.
You're not YouTuber. Yes, I am. You like me and it's a show. Purple. Me YouTuber. It 111. Oh, me kick. Fish. Sorry. Are you YouTuber? No. This is not real. Nice.
Hi, I'm Flamingo. Also, go get the woohoo. Yay.
Oh my.
Sherry Flamingo? No. Oh, come on! Oh, they're nice.
Noob. What a noob.
Unbelievable. You lost a level. all for
Can you
him.
just die again? Bro, how?
That happen. Why'd you let that happen?
Far away from me. Ayo. Okay, that's close. Who's? Why me, bro? Get it?
Epic gamer
Gotcha.
moment.
Pay attention to your
Wow.
surroundings, or your death will be quite astounding.
Yay, purple team. What?
Zoinks! I just got demoted. Whoa!
Hey, yo.
Hey, nice. He lost a level.
How, bro?
Why'd you let that happen?
Hey, I don't like
Pay
you.
attention to your surroundings, or your death will be quite astounding.
Yay, arigato. Yo, what is this? Come on, let me. Yay, big head. I know how to do that. I do not trust big head. What is this? Cheetah. Oh. Nice. How annoying. How